Okay, so welcome to this unboxing and review of the Husky 2-ton trolley jack. You get this for around $34. Okay, so let's do an unboxing. Here's the jack. Handle. Here's the manual. It's in English, Spanish. Okay, now to put the handle in, just put one loop around one side of one bolt, stretch it out, and put one loop on the other side of the other bolt. Now the handle is installed. Here you have to turn this clockwise, and that will allow you to raise the jack to match up this notch. Here. Tighten that. So it goes up. So lower it. Just turn it like that. Okay. Now let's raise up this car right now, see how it works. We match up this plate with the area according to the car specifications, which is right here. Okay, so I'm going to start tracking it up. Make sure it's aligned. Okay, so it's off the ground. As you can see, turn the wheel, align this slot with this notch right here, and slowly turn it. Clamp the clutches. And that's how you lower the car. Okay, so this is a review of the Husky jack, and thank you for tuning in.